Welcome to the best picks. The best Crepe Erase Eye Cream is probably one of the most talked about products in the skincare world, and for good reason. As we age, the skin around our eyes can become thin and develop a crepe-like texture. This eye cream promises to combat those signs of aging, but does it live up to the hype? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Crepe Erase Eye Cream, exploring its ingredients, benefits, and whether it's the right choice for you. Number 5. Crepe Erase Advanced Body Repair Treatment. Are you looking for a solution to address aging skin? This treatment is designed to target the appearance of crepey skin on both your face and body. It helps support your skin's natural elastin and collagen production. This cream is formulated to combat the signs of aging. It works to reduce the look of wrinkles, leaving your skin looking smoother and more youthful. It's a comprehensive approach to skincare. This versatile treatment can be used on both your face and body. It provides targeted care where you need it most. It's a convenient all-in-one solution. The formula is designed to support your skin's natural processes. It helps boost elastin and collagen production, which are essential for firm, healthy skin. This helps improve skin's elasticity. With a generous 10-ounce size, you'll have plenty of this effective treatment. It's a great addition to your daily skincare routine. It's a great way to invest in your skin's future. What we like. This treatment works for both your face and body. It boosts your skin's natural elastin and collagen production. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to address aging concerns across multiple areas, you should consider this. What people say. I have tried everything over the years and this really does work. I have seen drastic changes, but you must use as directed. Saw a big difference after 1 month of daily use. Number 4. Crepe Erase 4-in-1 Eye Renewal Capsules. Tired of looking tired? These capsules are designed to target the delicate skin around your eyes. It helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Each capsule is packed with the TrueFirm complex. This unique blend helps to firm and smooth the skin. It's like a mini facial in a capsule. This product offers a 4-in-1 approach to eye care. It targets multiple concerns at once, making it a simple addition to your daily routine. You'll love the results. Using these capsules is incredibly easy. Simply twist open a capsule and apply the serum around your eyes. It absorbs quickly, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Each box contains 30 capsules, providing a month's worth of treatment. Consistent use will help you achieve a more youthful and radiant look. Try it today. What we like. These capsules are specifically designed for eye renewal. They contain the TrueFirm complex. If you have delicate skin around your eyes and want a targeted treatment, you should consider this. What people say. Smooths the eye area and makes my eyes look better. Works as advertised. Single use, just the right amount each time and extra. It feels so silky and smooth, and I absolutely see a difference in the appearance of my skin after using this. Number 3. Crepe Erase Advanced Eye Cream, Citrus Scented. This citrus scented eye cream is designed for mature skin. It features the TrueFirm complex to help rejuvenate the delicate skin around your eyes. The refreshing citrus scent provides a pleasant experience. This cream is formulated to be gentle yet effective on the skin. The TrueFirm complex is a key ingredient. It works to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This eye cream comes in a 0.5 fluid ounces size, perfect for daily use. It's specifically designed to address the needs of mature skin. Use this eye cream regularly to reveal a more youthful and refreshed appearance. It helps to hydrate and revitalize the skin around the eyes. What we like. This eye cream has a refreshing citrus scent. It is formulated for mature skin. If you like a product with a pleasant fragrance and are concerned about mature skin, you should consider this. What people say. This cream absorbs in pretty well, a little goes a long way, and the moisturizing effect is visible on my eye area. After using it for a few weeks, I saw a change. The puffy pockets under my eyes are gone and the dark circles are diminished. Number 2. Crepe Erase Refining Facial Scrub. Is your skin feeling dry and showing signs of aging? This scrub is designed to help. It gently exfoliates, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and revitalized. This product features the TrueFirm Complex. It's a unique blend of ingredients that helps to promote healthy collagen and elastin production, giving you a more youthful appearance. The refining scrub gently removes dead skin cells. This process helps to improve skin texture and allows other skincare products to absorb more effectively. Collagen is essential for maintaining skin's firmness and elasticity. This scrub helps support your skin's natural collagen production, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. With regular use, you can expect to see a noticeable improvement in your skin's overall appearance. It will feel smoother, softer, and more radiant. This product comes in a convenient 6-ounce size, perfect for daily use. Incorporate it into your skincare routine and experience the difference. What we like. This refining scrub exfoliates your face. It is designed for dry, crinkly skin. If you are looking for a product to gently exfoliate and improve the texture of your skin, you should consider this. What people say. Smooths off dry skin and clears pores. After I feel like my skin shines and breathes and looks firmer. Preps my skin for the application of serums or moisturizers. My skin feels fresh and new after using this product, mild and non-abrasive, yet reveals fresh, glowing, healthy-looking skin. Number 1. Crepe Erase Advanced Facial Treatment, Original Citrus, 1.7 fluid ounces. This is the Crepe Erase Advanced Restorative Facial Treatment. It features the TrueFirm Complex and comes in the original citrus scent. It's designed to help rejuvenate your skin. The product utilizes the TrueFirm Complex. This complex is formulated to target the visible signs of aging and improve skin's texture. It aims to provide a more youthful appearance. Enjoy the refreshing original citrus scent. This invigorating fragrance enhances the overall experience. It leaves you feeling refreshed and revitalized. This package contains 1.7 fluid ounces of the facial treatment. It's a convenient size for daily use. This product is designed for regular skincare routines. This advanced treatment helps restore your skin. It works to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Use it regularly for optimal results. What we like. This facial treatment is restorative. It has the original citrus scent. If you like the classic citrus scent and want to rejuvenate your face, you should consider this. What people say. My skin has been irritated and it's really smooth and looks so new or younger. This stuff does miracles on your face. It does not really get rid of your wrinkles too much, but it brightens and smooths your skin. My skin feels like velvet. After using it for just a few weeks, I'm already noticing my skin is glowing, even first thing in the morning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.